In India, a logistics revolution is unfolding. As the nation emerges as a global economic powerhouse, the need for an efficient freight network has never been greater. At the forefront of this transformation stands the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, redefining how goods move across the nation.
Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is fast becoming the world's logistics hub. A bold vision backed by bold action is turning dreams into reality.
2,500 किलोमीटर से अधिक डेडिकेटेड फ्रेट कॉरिडोर का काम हुआ है। रेल की गति तेज होगी तो समय बचेगा। इससे दूध, मछली, फल, सब्जी ऐसे अनेक उत्पादन तेजी से मार्केट पहुंच पाएंगे। इसमें उद्योगों की लागत भी कम होगी। इससे मेक इन इंडिया को, आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान को गति मिलेगी।
Connectivity is destined as India marches toward its vision of becoming a $5 trillion economy. Dfccil emerges as the backbone of this growth, strategically aligned with the Golden Quadrilateral and its diagonals. This world-class infrastructure is transforming the way India moves.
The concept and the genesis of dedicated freight corridor is basically to reduce the national logistics cost.
The 1,337-kilometer long Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor connects Ludhiana in Punjab to Sonnagar in Bihar, revolutionizing the movement of coal, food grains and engineering products. Industries are thriving and the economy is surging. The 1,506-kilometer long Western Dedicated Freight Corridor links Dadri in Uttar Pradesh to Mumbai in Maharashtra, boosting the transport of cement, containers and perishables. The pulse of trade beats stronger than ever.
The Dfccil has eliminated all level crossings of 304 road over bridges and 557 road under bridges, making it one of the safest freight networks globally. Higher, longer, heavier and faster. Dfccil is rewriting the rules of freight transport. With just 4% of Indian Railways' total network, these corridors handle nearly 14% of its freight traffic. Over 400 trains operate daily, transporting 500 million tons of freight. The capacity is rising like a dream.
Development of dedicated freight corridor is proving to be a game changer for logistics industry in India.
The corridors bridge the gap between India's hinterlands and its urban agglomerate, linking them to consumer centers and global market. Efficient feeder routes ensure seamless connectivity to ports, powering India's export engine. India is on the cusp of a logistics revolution, and with it comes unparalleled business opportunities. At the heart of this transformation is the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, Dfccil, a game changer for industries and a catalyst for ease of doing business. In sync with the National Logistics Policy, Dfccil is spearheading the development of new Gati Shakti cargo terminals all along its corridors. These terminals, built through dynamic public-private partnerships, are set to redefine cargo handling in India. Under the GCT policy, freight terminals are categorized into two types: GCT terminals on private land, Schedule 1, and GCT terminals on Indian Railways land, Schedule 2. This innovative approach ensures flexibility and scalability for businesses.
Dfccil is also developing multimodal logistics parks. These terminals at strategic locations will enhance supply chain efficiency by seamlessly integrating road, rail, air and waterways, slashing transit times and boosting productivity. This holistic approach ensures that India's logistics network is future-ready and globally competitive.
Innovation is at the core of Dfccil's mission. One such groundbreaking initiative is the Trucks on Train service, a game changer in freight transportation. This service exemplifies road-to-rail model integration and promotes a significant model shift, offering industries like dairies, automobiles and ancillaries, and substantial cost saving. The Trucks on Train service has been introduced on the new Palanpur, New Rewari section of the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, covering a distance of 636 kilometers in just 10 hours. This service is redefining efficiency in freight movement. By seamlessly integrating road and rail transport, Trucks on Train services ensure that goods reach their destinations faster and more cost-effectively. Industries reliant on long-haul transportation are witnessing a transformation in their supply chains, with reduced transit times and lower operational costs. In the long term, Trucks on Train is set to revolutionize freight transportation. It not only enhances cost effectiveness but also reduces carbon emissions, contributing to a greener and more sustainable logistics ecosystem. Dfccil's Trucks on Train service is more than just an innovation. It is a vision for the future. By promoting model integration and shift, it is paving the way for a more efficient, sustainable and business-friendly logistics network in India.
In a fast-paced world, speed and reliability are paramount. Dfccil's high-speed cargo service is revolutionizing parcel delivery in India, offering businesses and individuals faster, more efficient options for transporting high-value goods. Introduced on the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor (WDFC), this service connects New Rewari and New Palanpur and further extended to New Sanand North. It's a game changer for e-commerce companies, businesses and individuals seeking reliable and rapid delivery solutions. Tailored to meet the evolving needs of modern commerce, the high-speed cargo service is designed for smaller, high-value consignments. It's a boon for e-commerce giants, aggregators and businesses looking to optimize their logistics operations. The high-speed cargo service is not just a logistical advancement, it's a catalyst for India's economic growth.
We have introduced this scheme between New Rewari and New Sanand North Station of Dfccil, and this basically provides connection between Delhi and Ahmedabad cities.
With its unmatched speed, reliability and convenience, Dfccil's high-speed cargo service is setting new benchmarks in parcel delivery. There are also significant opportunities to generate revenue from non-fare sources, such as advertising, renewable energy projects, station sponsorships, dark fiber monetization, seminar and conferences, parking facilities, commercial monetization of spare lands, and other innovative avenues. Dfccil's Heavy Haul Institute collaborates for education and certification with national and international institutions.
The Dedicated Freight Corridor, DFC, is not just an infrastructure project, it's a catalyst for socio-economic transformation. A study by the University of New South Wales, UNSW, Australia, reveals the profound impact of DFC on India's economy and society. The DFC has directly contributed 160 billion Indian rupees to India's GDP, boosted the GDP growth rate by 0.8% and reduced commodity prices by up to 0.5%. These benefits are reaching consumers and businesses alike. The DFC is not just moving goods, it's moving India forward. The study also highlights a social equalizing effect of the DFC. States with lower per capita GDP are experiencing significant socio-economic benefits, bridging the economic gap between regions. This is a step towards more equitable growth across the nation, as it's not just about moving goods, it's about moving India forward.
After construction of DFCCIL, the speed of freight trains have increased. Speed of DFCCIL is to the extent of 55 kmph. By the way, the transit time has been reduced drastically.
Dfccil has also submitted DPRs of 3 new corridors: the East-West Corridor, the North-South Corridor and the East Coast Corridor, which will usher in a new round of growth for the nation's freight and logistics landscape. A crisscross DFC network running across the length and breadth of the country will prove to be a harbinger of new socio-economic progress. Dfccil, building corridors, bridging gaps, transforming India.